Good afternoon, guys. So I have an Italian saw to show you today. This is one of my last Oleo Macs. In fact, this is a 945 AF. Hard to get the exact manufacture date I found for some of the earlier Oleo Macs. So I believe it's late 70s and then early 80s saw. 46 cc's, and this one's been I've loved having this saw because I've had 3 of the 945 AFs, and this one out of all of them is one full start. So when it's primed, it tends to be just exactly that. It's got lovely compression, and these Italian engines have just got a lovely feel to them. They're not obtrusive, the noise, and starting it's just okay. So it's running an genuine Oregon bar, 15-inch. Chain life's all but finished. There are only little nibs left on the teeth. So again, it's never I've never cut with this saw, and it's mostly complete, but it's missing a couple little things. Has a couple little bits of damage. So I'll do a little walk around with the camera, and hopefully suitable for one of you guys out there. So it's a very quick disassembly. Literally is only one screw for the top and just the bar nuts at the side. Okay. Okay. Right, guys, I'll show you a little walk around of the saw. I'll hopefully show it on a quick restart. So most of the 945s, in fact, never mind most, all of the 945s I've had have all had a broken chain brake for whatever reason, and they've been missing the brake handle. But so this one I have the brake handle on here, and the outer chain guide plate is present, and the little steel catcher plate at the back. There's a brake on the casting at the front. Doesn't obviously affect anything else, but good to be aware of. But the chain brake strap, which would fit around here and catch on the clutch drum, is missing. So that's the first thing, and I've looked for a while and I've still been unable to get hold of one. Okay, so chain catcher present, very clean, never cut with the saw, like I say. Inner guide plate present, AV mounts all look pretty good. No brakes on the handle at the back. Filter's in great condition. No fin damage on the engine. Again, exhaust is very, very clean. Spin her around. It's had a new pull cord. And this part of the handle, I don't remember from when I sold my other 945s, but this looks like the bracket here is non-original. It's very firm, and again the AV mount is present on it, so that's good to be aware of. and around on top. I put new hardened steel bar nuts on it as well, and there possibly is, I think there is actually, a little missing part of the side cover, missing off the ABS or plastic pull start cover in this bottom corner. Okay. Right, I'll pause the video quickly and then put it back together, and I'll show it on a restart. Hi again guys, okay, covers are back on, so I shall quickly show her on a restart. I also meant to point out as well, there's a tiny crack as well in the top cover just here. Okay. Okay guys, thanks for watching. So that's my Oleo Mac 945 AF 46cc Italian saw. So it's going up on eBay for spares or repair. Got a, like I say, brake strap or chain brake is not working, brake strap's missing, tiny bit of damage on the right hand side, and a little bit of damage on the left hand side cover as well, just to be aware of. Any questions, please just ask. Anyone wants to come and take a look, you'd be more than welcome. Thanks for watching, bye for now.